Hello everyone. In this video I'll be explaining you the kind of packing that we do for pet cans. In this one we have a 3-ply carton and we have a 5-ply carton. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. We make them in various sizes and this is how we pack and supply to customers. This is a 5-ply carton which we normally use for transport purposes for small lots. In this we have done individual poly. So each can is packed in individual poly. This avoids scratches while transportation. I am opening a 3-ply can. This we use for truckloads. Inside this we pack cans in bundles. The bundle is sealed packed, so there will be no dust that can go inside. We pack it like this. Depending upon the ordered quantity, we use the cartons and we pack differently. The individual poly cost is more than the bulk poly cost, because this attracts more labor. For more inquiries, please do get back to us. Thank you.